How to log out remotely from Crunchyroll and to sign out everywhere. If you want to sign out Crunchyroll from everywhere or to even log out remotely, for this process, I'm going to use my browser. So if you're comfortable with your mobile browser, you could possibly do that. Open your browser and go to crunchyroll.com. Now, when you go to crunchyroll.com, this is the option that you will find. Tap on your profile icon from the top right hand side, and of course making sure that you're already logged into your account. There you can find an option that says settings. So just go to the settings menu. When you go to the settings menu, here you'll find all of these options over here. So here you can also see the settings option. You can just tap on that. So right there you can see drop down menu, tap on it. And here look for the option that says device management and tap on device management. When you go to device management, you can either choose to deactivate each of the devices that you are logged in manually, or you can choose to deactivate all the devices by tapping the deactivate all devices button. As soon as you do that, your Crunchyroll account will be removed and logged out remotely from all those devices, browsers, and sessions that you're currently logged in. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.